Hello everyone. In the last video, we have decided whether the dam is a low gravity dam or it is a high gravity dam. So on this basis, now we are coming with a numerical. So in this numerical, we will design a gravity dam. So this is the numerical given. Design the practical profile of a gravity dam of stone masonry with the following data. The RL of high flood level is given 1280 meters, RL of base of dam 1250 meters, specific gravity of machinery, that is SC equals to 2.4, and safe compressive force for machinery of dam is 120 tons per meter square. So now we will design the gravity dam. So first we have to convert the units. So we know that 1 tons is equals to 9.80665 kilonewton. So by multiplying 120 with 9.80665, we can convert ton per meter square into kilonewton per meter square. So the specific compressive force F is equals to 120 into 9.806. This will be equals to approx 1177 kilonewton per meter square. Now we will draw a diagram mentioning all these data. Now I have drawn the cross section profile of this dam. Now I will note the data here. So this is the high flood level and the level given is 1280 meters, and the level of base of dam is 1250 meter is given. Now in this numerical, the height of wave is not given, so we can not calculate the freeboard by using 1.5 times HW. Now we have to assume the height of freeboard. It can be taken as 3% of depth of water. So by using these RLs we can determine the depth of water. So this height will be small h, and small h will be 1280 minus 1250. Now the depth of water will be 1280 minus 1250 equals to 30 meter. Now assuming freeboard, say 3% of depth of water. So now it will be 3 upon 100 into depth of water is 30. It is 0.9 meters. Now RL of top of dam, RL of top of dam, RL of HFL is 1280 meter, and this is the freeboard which is 0.9 meter. Now the RL of top of dam will be 1280 plus 0.9. 1280 plus 0.9 equals to 1280.9 meters. Now assuming unit weight of water, equals to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. The RL of top of dam is 1280.9 meter. Now total height of dam, that is capital H, total height of dam from this point to this point. So it will be 1280.9 minus 1250. or you can add h plus 0.9 also, equals to 1280.9 minus 1250. So now it is 30.9 meters. Now we have to check whether it is a low gravity dam or high gravity dam. So first we have to calculate limiting height. H1 is equals to safe compressive stress of dam material, that is F, divided by unit weight of water into specific gravity plus 1. So F is 1177 divided by gamma w is 9.81, SC is 2.4, plus 1. So now H1 after calculating it is 35.28 meters. So we can say that the H, that is 30.9 meter, is less than H1 35.28 meter. So here H is less than H1, therefore it is a low gravity dam. Therefore it is a low gravity dam. Now the top width can be taken from economic criteria. Top width can be taken for economic criteria as 14% of total height of dam. Now A equals to 14 by 100 into total height of dam is 30.9, so it is equals to 4.3 मीटर. इसको राउंड ऑफ करके हमने ले लिया 4.5 meters. Now calculating base width of elementary profile. Base width is from this point to this point, that is capital B. So B is equals to H upon under root SC. H is 30 meter and SC is 2.4. Now B is 19.36 meter. Now upstream offset. Upstream offset is this part. It is calculated as A by 16. So first we have to calculate the A. A we have already calculated, that is 4.5 meter. 4.5 divided by 16, it is equals to approximately it equals to 0.3 meter. So B is 19.36 meter and this is 0.3 meter. And the top of dam, this width, top width is 4.5 meter and this total height of dam is 30.9 meter and this H is 30 meter. This we have calculated. Now total base width will be equals to upstream offset plus base width of elementary profile. So it will be 19.36 plus 0.3. It will be equals to 19.66 meters. Now we have to calculate distance up to which upstream slope is vertical from the upstream water level. मीन्स कि अपस्ट्रीम वाटर लेवल से कितनी डेप्थ तक ये अपस्ट्रीम फेस ऑफ डैम वर्टिकल रहेगा, इस हाइट को हमने कैलकुलेट करना है. डिस्टेंस अप टू विच upstream slope is vertical from the upstream water level. It is calculated as 2a under root SC. 2 into a is 4.5 under root SC. So it is equals to approx 14 meters. It means upstream water starts at a depth of 14 meter. This inclined part, this is called batter. तो बैटर अपस्ट्रीम वाटर लेवल से कितने मीटर नीचे स्टार्ट होगा, 14 मीटर के बाद ये यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, यहाँ से ये बनेगा. नाउ कैलकुलेटिंग द बैटर एंड्स एट ए डेप्थ ऑफ the batter ends at a depth of 3.1 a under root SC below upstream water level, that is high flood level. कि ये जो बैटर है ये कहाँ एंड होगा, अपस्ट्रीम फेस से, ये हाइट हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है अब. सो this will be equals to 3.1 a under root SC. 3.1 into a 4.5 under root 2.4. It will be equals to 21.61 meters. We will write it here, 21.61 meter. Now we can calculate this vertical height of batter. It will be equals to 21.61 meter minus 14 meter. 21.61 minus 14 meters. So this will be equals to 7.61 meters. So this was the numerical on the design of practical profile of a gravity dam. Thank you.